Good day, good day, good day. Super excited. How are you doing? Super, super excited. Peeps are running after me. Chineye, Chinyere, Richard. Fantastic. Peeps will run after you, my brother, my sister. Super excited. How are you doing? If you're excited to be on this call today, can you put in some 777 on the chat box? And the first thing you want to help me do is to type in wherever you're joining from, type in wherever you're joining from, type in what your location, type in what you're joining from. I'm really excited. I'm pumped up about this. Really, really excited about the experience so far. And I can tell you for free, it can only get better. We have amazing people. We have someone, we have Richard from Ogun State. We have Taban from Kenya, good to have you. We have Wisdom Ogunji from Lagos. We have JTK from Accra, Ghana, good to have you. We have Nelson from Gombe, Nigeria, fantastic, good to have you, Nelson. Okay, we have Umwenze from Zambia. Hi, Zambia today, good to have you. Super excited. Come on, guys. Let's engage. Tell me where you're joining from. I'm excited. I'm an African, and I'm super, super excited. I'm always excited when I see everyone around me are Africans, because the goal is that we can make things happen for ourselves. No matter where you're joining from, no matter where you're based, you're white, you're brown, you're yellow, any color you are, you have access to the $7.3 trillion market every single day. Now, I'm really excited about this. We have Oluwasesan Olukayode from Lagos. Good to have you on the call, Oluwasesan. Okay, really excited. I want to welcome you all. 80% of you signed up for the 10x trading account. And I'm really pumped up about this because when I shared this out, some people were really against me on Instagram. That is not possible. But, you know, quite some of you already know me on YouTube, so you know that it's possible. Okay, but the challenge is that a lot of people have not seen the reality of it. And you see, if it has not happened before, does not mean that it can't happen again. Okay, if you have not seen it, does not mean it can happen. Come on, everybody on this call, type in it can happen. Come on, right now, let's engage together. Type in it can happen, it can happen. It is my turn. Come on, guys, come on, type in that words right now. Type in it's my turn, it will happen, it will happen, it will happen. Now, it will happen not just because you're on this call, it will happen because I'm going to be showing you and answering a lot of your questions to let you know that you can also make this happen for yourself. And that's the essence of today's training. I'm going to be taking you through the process, and I'm really excited to share this with you because, guys, it's not even about you knowing it. It's even about you making it happen for yourself. I've seen people who knows Forex, who have learned Forex, but they don't know Forex. So it's two things entirely. You can learn things by reading, but you need to know things by putting it to work. And we now have the top people who are people who know Forex and they are making money from Forex. And that is where you need to move into. You just don't want to be a researcher. You just don't want to be people who are just going through several stories or complaining that it doesn't work. And that is why today I've taken it upon myself. We have we have over 1,000 people that signed up for this program, but you know, the numbers are always like the number it will be, but it's recorded so that we can send it to them because of time zone and all of that. Some people are still at work right now. Okay, so we're going to be recording this so that you guys can have access to the replay. I'm really pumped up about this and I'm excited. Come on, guys, show some love if you're excited about this. If you're excited about this, come on, show some love. Show some love. Show some love right now. Show some love. If you're excited to be on this show, on this training, on this session, type in I'm excited. Put in some right energies right now. Put in some amazing emojis. That is what will make me do more than what is jotted down in my schedule. Come on, guys. Put in some emojis right now. I need that excitement in the house because money looks for excitement. Money looks for excitement. Money looks for excitement. If you're not excited, money can bypass you if you're not excited. Okay? Money looks for those who are excited, and that is the energy we want to. Okay? And today, here's the framework. We're going to be talking about why do you have to trade Forex? who are the people that trade Forex? Why do you have to follow the ITC concept? We're going to be sharing that with you today. And I'm also going to be sharing with you 2 case studies that will help you to be able to understand what I'm about to review to you again. I shared one with you in the previous course, okay? And a lot of you, we got amazing feedback that you guys really, really love the video. And today, come on, guys, let me get some energies more. I'm about to announce something to you. Come on, guys, are you ready? I'm also going to be sharing with you 2 amazing setups that I'm ready to invest my money in the next 2 weeks to the next 1 month. Okay, I'm excited. Come on, guys, show some love. I'm going to be giving you that analysis free of charge, and we are going to be looking at the potential of what the analysis is going to be given to us. That is why we are here. That is what we're going to be covering today. I'm really pumped up about this, and let's get this rolling. Come on, guys. Woo! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. So who is Owolabi? My name is Owolabi. I'm Africa's most sought after financial market coach. I'm a financial freedom coach, and my goal is that I want to empower 1 billion people. See, I started my career as a banker, and when I was working in the bank, one of the things that got my attention while working in the bank was the fact that the banks were making money from the Forex market. And I took my time to begin to learn how the Forex market will work, how the Forex market will work. And that is one of the most amazing pattern that I've been able to identify. My journey started in the bank in 2019, and that's when I began to know that I want to trade Forex. Now, if you have your note there with you, type in 777. If you have your note with you, you have your writing note with you, come on, type in 7. If you don't have a note, type in wait for me. Because you cannot master what I'm about to share with you from your brain just by listening. You need a note. You need to write down. That is the process of information mastery. You get into your mind, into your head, then you process it in your heart, then you put it to work. If you have your pen, you get your note, type in 77, except you are driving, that's when I can free, but you need to have a writing note. If you have a writing note with you or a notepad, type in 777. If you don't have, type in wait for me, wait for me, wait for me. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let me get that response right now. You have a note with you because you can't listen to everything that I'm about to share just from your head. You're going to be getting it. You need to write them down. You need to write them down. Fantastic. Fantastic. Good. So I discovered that one of the ways that I must play in the Forex market. Why do I have to play in this Forex market? Number one, there is no competition. So that means that I can do the same business with Fakeye. I can do the same business with Alfred. I can do the same business with Chinyere Richard. I can do the same business with David, and we're still going to remain friends. Why? Because we are not competing. See, one of the challenges with the world, with the way it's structured, is that there are competition everywhere. Everybody type in no competition. This is why you have to play in here. This is why there's no competition. You see? So there's no competition here. I am here because I am sure that I'm not competing with Nelson. The second reason why you have to trade in the Forex market, it is because it is a multiplier vehicle. It allows you to multiply your money. So you must get this right. So I'm not here because I want to make money from Forex. I am here because I can use Forex to multiply what I have. And this is why I want to help some people today. Because some people are not working. They're not doing anything, and they're saying they are full-time traders. And come on, guys. It is a multiplier vehicle. It is a multiplying vehicle. So it means that I need to do something. Now, when I make $100 monthly, or I made $1,000 monthly, then I come into the Forex market. I learn how to multiply what I made from the Forex market. So if you are not making anything, there's nothing to times it with. See, the reason why some of you go to borrow is because you don't have this understanding. That is why you need to get something doing, so you don't trade because you are hungry. Yeah. Come on, guys. You don't trade because you're hungry. You trade because you want to multiply what you have. So understand the concept. The wife of the prophet needed multiplication. She was in loan. She was in debt. And she had a small oil. And the prophet said, go and borrow a jar, go and borrow drums or big bucket and fill them up. So those buckets right there, the multiplier is the fact that she has those buckets. So right now, the Forex that we have, that I'm about to present to you, is the Forex that will allow you to trade opportunities and not trade market. Because a lot of time people babysit Forex trading and they trade so much and they lose because they do not understand that the goal of the Forex market is to multiply. The reason why you are chasing the chart every minute is because you are looking for what to eat from Forex trading. And Forex trading is more than that. Come on, guys, if you're enjoying me tonight, put this on 777 on the chat box right now. I told you, I promised you that I was going to pour out my mind for you. I'm going to be showing you the same way, the same thing I do every single time I'm going into the market. Now, the third reason why I am playing in here is because until all the currency becomes one, Forex will not stop. So next year, Forex will not stop. 100 years to come, Forex will not stop until America says that they are not using dollars. Nigeria says they are not using naira. All of these countries says they are not using all they are using, and they are only going to spend one currency. Until that happens, guys, I'm in business. Until that happens, I'm in business. Some of us on this call, you have changed businesses, you have changed careers over and over again, not because you don't like the career, but because you don't. The career is not transgenerational. So right now, my son is 6 years old, and I can't wait for him to be 10. Then I'll start teaching him how to play in the Forex market, in the cryptocurrency market, and in the stock market. Why? Because it is a vehicle to multiply. My daughter is 8. She want to become a surgeon, but she will still learn how to multiply her money. But because she's the surgeon, she will be a swing trader. She'll be a position trader. She will buy asset and hold for the next 5 years, 10 years. And that is all I want to start by sharing that with you this day. Because you need to understand why you are trading in the Forex market. Now, the second point I want to share with you before we go practical today is who are the people who trade in the Forex market. Some of you don't know the foundation of Forex market. You just go to YouTube and because you see somebody display the latest car, the person display the latest house, you fall in love with Forex and you start learning and you have a wrong foundation. Can I help you tonight? Come on, type in help me. Come on, guys, tell me. I told you we are in for a great time. The energy is going to be really hot and really high, and I don't want you to drop on that. Come on, type in help me. Type in help me. Who are the people that play in the Forex market? The people that play in the Forex market, we have them as the institution, the banks, the government. These are the people that trade in the Forex market. But guys, you must understand that the people who make money in the market are the people you need to follow. And this is what gave birth to institutional trading concept. So if we understand that we retailers, followed by the institutions, followed by governments, followed by the bank. So we're going to be grouping the institutions, the corporations with the bank. We're going to group them together. Then we'll have the corporations with the bank, and we have the institute, the government, and we have the retailers. Now on this screen, tell me, who are the winners here? Tell me, who are the people that don't lose in the Forex market? Tell me. This is what changed my life. I was able to answer the question, who are the people who win who don't lose in the Forex market? Tell me. For those of you that are already trading in the market, who are the people who don't lose in this market? God bless you, Dan Ellie. The people who don't lose are the institutions. So why are you trading like the retailers? Why are you trading like the retailers? Why are you looking for 5-minute time frame trade, 15-minute time frame trade? Why? Because the person that showed you taught you scalping. And you have to go to the convenience, you go with your laptop, you go to the convenience, you go with your phone, because you don't want the trade to go against you. Some people told you that you should not use stop loss, because when it goes against you and you are willing to lose what you can see, close it. That is not how to trade. Don't forget that it is a vehicle. It is a multiplier vehicle. And because of that, you must understand how it works. So can I present to you the reason why my Owolabi company and every other people that I'm mentoring globally are trading the institution? This is the reason. So let me get to the board right now. We have a $7 trillion market, guys. $7 trillion market. This is what happened every single day. Now, I didn't say some days. I said every single day. So when you sleep and wake up, every day, there's a $7 trillion available. Now, these are the people that trade in the market. But can I move further to let you know that there are some set of people who are the owners of the market? Jeez. These are the people that you need to follow. These are the people that you need to work with. These are the people that you need to work with, guys. No matter how smart you think you are, if you're trading against these people, you are wrong. Now, the top of them is JP Morgan. JP Morgan has 11% of the entire global market. So if JP Morgan says they are selling, do you think the market will sell? Yes or no? Tell me. If JP Morgan says they are selling Euro USD, do you think Euro USD will sell? Yes or no? Come on, tell me, come on, guys. You have $2,000 and you are buying against JP Morgan. You are buying against Deutsche Bank. You are buying against HSBC. You are trading against Goldman Sachs. The reason why a lot of your trades are hitting stop loss is because you don't honor those who have gone ahead of you. Type in honor right now. Type in honor. Type in honor. See, these guys have volume. Type in honor. You need to honor these guys. See, I'm here to do a reset on your mind. That's why I'm here today. I'm here to do a reset. Type in honor right now. You need to honor these people by obeying and trading in their direction. Not because you want to trade, it's because they are the one who control the market. So having established this, how is the market created? The market is created on volume. And this is where I'm going to go more deeper with you guys. Ooh, jeez. I'm excited today, guys. So HSBC decided to put let's say JP Morgan decided to put 10 million contract into Euro USD. Basically, they put money into USD, okay? They don't put money, they put money in currency. Now, when they put money in USD and they put 10 million contract, they don't trade lot size. They trade contracts. Now, when they put in 10 million contract into USD, what it means is that USD will gain strength. You guys got that? Because they are a lot of volume in the market. And what it means on Euro USD, what will happen to Euro USD? Tell me. Because a big firm has put in money into USD. What will happen to Euro USD? Tell me. Fantastic. Euro USD will sell. So Euro USD will what? Will sell. Drop that. And look at this. These people, they are not like us. When they put their money into the market, they don't come out until after minimum 3 months to 2 years or more. They don't stay in the market less than 3 months. Oh, come on, guys. Tell me, come on, guys. Type in, tell me, type in, tell me. I need some more energies right now. Type in. Tell me. Come on, guys. Type in, tell me. These guys don't stay in the market minimum 3 months. Why? Because they are not scalpers. So when they put in $10 million and they've made an amazing profit, they will take profit. And when they take profit, they don't close their entire market move. So let's say between $5, the market came to $1, they have made $4 profit, and they entered from here. So what happened is that once they close part of their transaction at $1, the market will do what? The market will retrace. Everybody type in retrace. The market will retrace because they've taken over 70% of their profit. Now, when the market retraces, the big boys are still, the other banks are waiting, because every week they send to the United States Finance Commission what we call COT. Write that down. COT means communing of traders. Community, oh no, not community, it's commune. Let me get that for you, so I won't give you wrong words. Commitment of traders. Yes, commitment of traders. Yes, commitment. That's the right word I need to get. Commitment of traders. Now, every week, they send this report to the United States so that these people will expose what they are doing. So when JP Morgan went in their books that was sent to the finance house of the United States, they sent their commitment of traders report, and on the books, they've shown that USD is gaining strength. And the people that is influencing it is JP Morgan. So other banks see this. Me and you can't see the people influencing, but we know them. Now, immediately they take profit, the market will do what? Will retrace. Now, listen to me. This is where a lot of traders miss it. They want to trade this retracement. This is impulse, but they want to trade the retracement. Now, because there is no more volume in the market, the other players will keep playing. That is why you have ranging. But when the big players come in, the market drops. The reason why you are not happy whenever you are not happy with some result is because you are trading against the institutions. So when this move drops, they will always take profit and wait at discounted level. Everybody type in discount. Ooh, type in discount. They wait for the discounted level. So what does Mr. Mayowa say? The discounted level is the retracement level where everybody will go in. And they only go in at levels above 50% or 75%, above 75%. That is why Fibonacci is powerful. That is why Fibonacci is powerful. Now, when the volume was created and they took profit, retail traders, the small movers, will become superstar. Then they come back to a retracement zone. Everybody type in retracement zone. Now, this retracement zone could be 78.6 retracement or 71.6 retracement. And a lot of time, if a supply and demand trader, it will be a rally, a base, a drop. That will be what you will see here. So let me clear this board right now. So when the volume drops, there will be a rally, a base, a drop here. That is what was created in this place. Then the market drops. So JP Morgan took some profit. And as they took some profit, the market retraces. Now, when the market retraces, it is always rough because there is no volume. So the market comes back into the base of the move. And when the market comes back into this supply zone, then Deutsche Bank or HSBC or Citibank, they will now go in on a fresh sell. They will invest into USD. Remember, JP Morgan has closed 8 million contracts. And they now have 2 million contract left at this place, which a lot of traders, some traders call it imbalance. So they come back into this imbalance. Then Citibank, Deutsche Bank will now put in their investment into USD, following what JP Morgan have started, spying through the report that was submitted during the week. So when Deutsche Bank or HSBC now put in their money, maybe like another 10 million contract, then you see again that Euro USD will do what? Will sell big time. This is why you always need to look for impulse, correction, continuation. You are not to trade correction, which is reversal. You are to trade continuation. If you cannot identify the impulse leg, it is not worthy your money. Hey, type in I hear right there. Type in I hear right there. If you cannot wait and identify an impulse, it's not worthy your money. You have $200 and you want to trade against the trend. Come on, this is why you are losing. Come on, guys. This is why your trading, your strategy is not consistent. If you want to trade consistently and not lose money, you must obey the rules of engagement. But as a trader, a lot of people want to put their money here. They want to trade this level. Ooh, it's going up. It's coming down. It's going up. Then they turn Forex trading into work, not understanding the psychology part or the structural part of the market. Write this down. The market is structured in such a way that money leaves the impatient traders to the patient traders. That is how the market is structured. I'll say that again. The market is structured in such a way that money leaves the impatient traders that cannot wait for retracement. They want to sell here. Then trade hits their stop loss. The impatient traders that cannot wait for complete retracement, they will donate to the market until the market comes into the patient trader zone. When the market comes into the patient trader zone, then money exchange hands. Come on, guys. You guys need to put in some energy right now. If you're learning, come on, type in I'm learning. Type in I'm learning. Type in I'm learning. Come on, guys. Type in I'm learning. Is this helping your psychology? Can you see why you've been losing money in the Forex market? Come on, tell me. Can you see why you've been losing money in the Forex market? Because when you wake up, you are chasing the market. When you want to do anything, you are chasing the market. And you're doing it the wrong way. So, Mr. Mayowa, what else? Let's get busy. So, we made money in our community using this trade. Can you see this? Can you see this? This was the first move that the banks used. Okay? Number one. What is this zone? Tell me. This first zone is the impulse. This next zone is the what? Retracement. This next zone is the continuation. This next zone again is the continuation, is the retracement. This next zone again is the continuation. Mr. Mayowa, tell me more. Between here and here, this is about 5 candles. Between here and here, this is about 3 candles. Between here and here, this is about 3 candles. Can that be a fluke? Can that be a fluke? That they are staying in the market for 3 months? Oh, if the first move was a fluke, can the second move be a fluke? Can the third move be a fluke? Prof King says you are the best. I'm just trying to show you how you should approach the market. I'm not trying to let people know that I'm the best. And I'm not showing up for you. I'm just telling you what you should know. And thank you so much, Prof King. I appreciate it. Alfred said, wow, Jesus. That you can say that again. Do you think it's a fluke? It is not a fluke. It's because when the volume came in at first, the market makes a lot of sense. This is not your business, guys. Come on, the impulse is not your business. The retracement is not your business. It is the completion of the retracement that is your business. Then you sell and hold the trade for the next 3 months to 4 months. Then you exit the trade. Because they want to give quarterly report. That is why a lot of banks gives quarterly report to their investors. Come on, guys, show. Oh, come on, put some energies right now. They want to show report. So they need to close the books. They need to close the orders. Alfred said, this is deliverance. That is why I'm sent here, bro. To help 1 billion people get this done. This is why they close their account at the end. Come on, they close their account at the end of every 3 months. And when they close it, you as an impatient trader, you want to trade this reversal. You don't have business with this. It's not worthy your money. It's not worth your money, guys. This is how to trade the market. Now, write this down. The order flow starts from monthly. Write that down. The order flow starts from monthly. A lot of you that have watched my free training course, the order flow starts from monthly. The order flow does not start from 1 hour chart. Come on, wake up. Type in your name. Type in wake up right now. The order flow does not start from 1 hour chart, 1 hour chart, 4 hours chart, 8 hours chart. The order flow starts from monthly. Type in your name right now and type in wake up right now. The reason, because you are impatient. You know why they classify intraday trader and scalpers? Is because they want to collect your money. They want to use your money to report to their investors. They want to use your money to report to their investors that you are part of the contributor. That is why some of you have traded 5 years, 4 years, 3 years, 10 years. You still don't have consistent profit. Why? You are not obeying and you are not honoring the investors. Let's have a short break. And on that short break, I want to play one of my students' video. This guy learned Forex trading some years ago, and I want to play his video. Please, can you hear the sound? Can you hear the sound? Fantastic. Can you hear the sound? So this particular guy has been trading Forex for a very long time, but until he learned ITC, and look at what he has to say. He's based in Cyprus.
ITC concept training is money well spent for me. I've attended a lot of trainings and coachings on Forex, but nothing beats the value I got from this particular training. And I have a better understanding of the market and how it works. My confidence level right now has greatly improved, and I'm excited about trading again. Now, what I learned has set me apart from over 90% of traders out there. Now I know exactly how to trade like the banks and smart money institutions. I know how to catch trades with massive risk to reward. I know how to compound my account and make serious money in the market. Mr. Mayowa, thank you so much for revealing this trading concept at a very, very cheap price. I'm on my way to becoming your #1 star student. All right, thank you so much, sir. I appreciate you. God bless you.
So guys, is it worth your time right now? Is this training worth your time? Tell me. Is this training worth your time? Tell me, guys. So number one, obey the involvement obey the direction of the institutions. They start their journey from monthly. Number two, don't trade against the trend. And how do you know the trend? The trend will always show you a low, a low and a high. The market will retrace. If the market clears the low, it becomes a lower high, and this becomes lower low. As a smart trader, you are to wait for the market to come back here, because this becomes a retracement. What a lot of you do is that you buy every low. No, lower lows are not the best place to buy. They are against the trend. Now, I'm not here to tell you a strategy is wrong or right. That is why if you see all my trainings on YouTube, I don't talk about it. And I'm not here to sell to you ITC. Okay? But I'm here to share with you what makes ITC better. But if you now understand what makes ITC better, you can now use that understanding to go and set it up on your own strategy and begin to kill the market. So you don't buy here. You don't buy here because it is creating lower lows. Right now, this is lower high, this is lower low, this is lower high, this is lower low. Oh, Mr. Mayowa, this is double bottom. Can I just buy here? Why will you buy when you can see that the market is dropping? You can see that the market is dropping. So that means that it is not time to buy. So I will wait for the market to come into this zone or this zone, because it's a drop-based rally. The market come here, I will wait. Then I would let this drop. Now, Mr. Mayowa, what of if I can trade? Yes, you can trade against the trend. But here is only one condition. If you cannot be disciplined, lower your risk. Lower your risk. Some of you, you don't even know how to use the risk calculator. And you say you want to succeed. It can't happen. I have taken trades that first 3 trades, I was wrong. Then the next trade, number 4, I made back almost everything and I doubled my account. That is what trading is all about. But some of you, you don't even know what you are risking. And you end up over-risking, over-leveraging, because you don't even understand the purpose of Forex. So when it is a buy, you want to see a low, a high, you must see the market destroy the higher high, a high, then wait for the higher low. This is to buy. Buy here. Not that you just saw an impulse and you say you jump and enter in the name that your RSI, your stochastics, your Bollinger Band is saying you should buy. No. Those indicators are to add up to what you have. Not that they should be the one leading you. So let's say I want to use indicator right now. I will first identify my market structure. Then I will use my indicator to back up. That is how to use indicator. I'm not here to even say anything about indicator. I'm here to show you how we trade and we 10x our account. Now, the next one that I want to share with you, we have about 30 minutes left, is an hour, 30-minute session, is the power. Now that you've understood trend, now let's do a case study of NZD. Now, Mr. Mayowa, this is what happened. Do you guys agree with me that one of the big boys have invested money here and he exited here? Do you guys agree with me? Do you guys agree with me that one of the big boys, one of the investors, they put in their money, share, and the market dropped? Do you agree with me that when the market got here, they took out some profit? Do you agree with me? Good. So now when they took out some profit, there will be a what? How many percent retracement? What's the discount figure? Minimum 50%. Minimum 50%. So this is 50%. So for me to sell, I will not sell between here and here. I will only look for sell on anything above between 50% and 88.6%. Inside this place, this is where I will look for sell. And like I said, this will be this is a risky entry because the market can keep going up. So you don't even trade it. So it moves from there. The next bank got the discount. Deutsche Bank went in. And when they went in, they were in for another 3 months. Then Deutsche Bank and HSBC took some partials again. Now, you now have your own, a retailer who does not have the power that they have. Lower low, lower high, lower low. Don't buy here. This is against the trend. And if you must buy here, lower your risk because they've taken profit. So what will you see on lower time frame? You see that this place, they are struggling. And that is where you can see trade on 15 minutes. But the main move is on monthly charts and daily charts. Now, it's again, I move my Fibonacci, I put it here, and I said to you again, I don't have business until the market comes above 50 and 88.6. That's where I'm looking at. So I will wait for this guy for 2 months. Now, I wait. The market came in there into this rally-based drop. Now, everyone, is the market in my area where the institutions are waiting? Yes or no? Tell me. Good. That's it. So this is where you and I, that does not have the kind of money those guys have, this is where we want to look for sell. So when I now go to daily time frame or 1 hour time frame, I am waiting for a reaction because I must see the market break a previous low. This is why you are missing out. The market must break a previous low before I buy. I sell, sorry. So because it's here now, impatient traders, what will they do? They will sell here because of Pimba. Now, with that, does that work? Yes. Come on, guys. But don't forget, the goal is you want to 10x your account in the next 90 days. You want to 10x your account. So you see what? You see this drop. You see this what? You see this drop. Now, as this drops, you are excited. Then I wait for my main entry at the top again. Remember, I will not sell until it's above the 50% zone. So look at what the market did. The market comes. This was the trade we picked in our group. We held the trade for 3 months plus. Okay. And we went in on 7 pips stop loss. Okay. But because of our time, I might not be able to go to 30 minutes. I will go deeper. But this is it. Good. Now, can you see that the market came into our expected zone? So somebody will say, oh, Mr. Mayowa, I have missed that trade. I don't, oh God. Those guys, see guys, they always take profit. This is another level where another bank entered. This is another level where some of the bank took some profit. This is another level where another bank entered. This is another level where another bank took profit. So, if you miss the first one, don't miss the second one. Don't miss the second one. Mr. Mayowa, are you sure we do? Watch carefully. Did he come there, yes or no? He came there. And he took that trade in the month of April 21. And we just came out of it here, 1st of June, sorry. So we're able to grow 200%, 300% of our account, but not in everyday trade, guys. We held it for how many months? 3 months. We held it for 3 months. Mr. Mayowa, I have a question. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me your question. Alfred said, this is my problem. Good. Come on, guys. Are you excited about what you just shared? Tell me. Show some love right now if you're excited about this. I want to take your question. Leo is saying, how can I join your team to earn more knowledge? We're going to talk about that for those who are interested. Prof said, super excited, coach. I'm excited. Nelson said, this is mind-blowing. This is how the market is structured. If you are not patient, you will donate. So my goal Oluwasesan says, ever fresh. I'm trying, my brother. Thank you, sir. Tell me. Tell me. Absolutely great. Thank you. It's my honor. So Alfred said, I just realized they will always sell or buy at the same range. Why? It's because of slippage or what? Okay. Sir, on the second entry, should I only use daily time frame or 4 hours? You can use 4 hours. The only challenge I have with 4 hours is that you might miss out in the framework of it. You might miss out in the framework. Okay, so let me take your questions one by one. If you have a question, raise up your hand. There's an icon. Just click at the bottom. You see, raise up your hand. Okay, Leo. I'll just take 5 questions so that we can still have it around the time. Okay. Okay, you can unmute your mic, Leo.
Okay. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening, my brother.
My question is, how can, doing the like example now on EURSD, they're saying that it's heading to parity.
Come again.
And today it rised up. So according to some analysis I think, they say that EURUSD is heading to parity. So and today it's rised up. So I don't know whether it's going to go down again or it's going to recover.
Euro USD.
And I need, yes.
Okay, so they said it was going to go down and it started going up, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you want to know why it's going up or coming down, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that would be chart analysis. But let's take questions on this particular one that I've just taught you today. On that one, I'll try if I can analyze Euro USD, but I've done that in our everyday, every Wednesday training. I've analyzed Euro USD there, but I'm going to see if time permits, we should analyze that. Is that fine by you?
Okay, I appreciate it.
You're welcome, my brother. Okay, so Alfred, let's have you.
Okay, Mr. Coach, how are you?
I'm fine, my brother.
Thank you, brother. This is really a deliverance
You're
session for me. I suffered a lot in this market. Yeah. My question is, because from your analysis, I've really written a lot of notes, and I was asking, why do they always, the banks, sell or buy at this almost at the same level? Do they spy to other banks, like you say, there's J Morgan, there's other and all other banks? Do they know the levels where they always wait for to do the selling at the zone or the buying?
Okay. One minute.
Okay.
Let me show you some deep stuff right now.
Okay.
Some deep stuff right now. I can't share my screen right now. Just hold on, because I don't want you to see it. But I don't want you to see some things. But right now, just hold on for me.
Okay.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes, I'm seeing your screen.
Now, this is called COT report.
Yeah.
Every bank, all the institutions, they send their positions for the next week to the to the Commission of Traders in the to the Finance of the United States. There's a body that takes that. Okay, yeah. It's called the CFT group. It's a Commitment of Finance Traders.
Commitment of Traders.
Yes, but the file is actually called Commitment of Traders. That's the report. Good. Now, these are all the banks. So let's say HSBC sends their report and say they are buying USD. This other one says they are buying USD. All their report is merged together. Are you with me?
Yes, yes.
Then these people send it back to them again.
Okay.
So before they are to drop the report by Tuesday, this group will do, this report is always ready by Friday, 9 p.m. That is why a lot of the institutions, they don't trade Mondays and Tuesdays. Because the Mondays and Tuesdays is actually they invest what has happened the previous week. Retail traders trade Monday to Friday. The institutions, their major move starts Wednesdays to Tuesdays. Oh yeah, did I just tell you that? That's it. That's it. So this week right now, if you go to the COT report, they've said that Canadian dollar has 42,000 buyers. That's the contract they have. Then they sold 36,000. So you see that they added more, look at changes. They added 3,600 additional money, additional contract. Then they sold off their sell contract. So the percentage of the open trader is telling you that the card will gain strength. That is for this week that we just finished. By 9 p.m. today, the report for the next week, Wednesday next week to the upper Tuesday, will come out. So if you come to the chart and you come to USD card, throughout this week, they invested their money in card. Did card sold? Yes or no?
Yeah, yes, it has sold massively.
Does that have anything? Do you think these people influenced it? Yes or no?
100%.
They influenced it, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you so much, my brother.
Because the net long here, I see it very positive.
Fantastic. That is it.
Okay.
Have I helped you?
Wow. Thank you, you helped me. Thank you, sir. Wow, I appreciate it.
You're welcome, my brother.
Yeah.
You're welcome. You mentioned who else? Oluwaseun and Kayode. Let's have it. See how 15 minutes more. Tell me. Oluwaseun and Kayode, can you unmute your mic?
Good evening. Can you hear me, sir?
Perfect. I can hear you.
Okay, so I'm not asking a question. I just want to share a testimony that I've obtained from you.
Wow.
So that to encourage some other trader here. I think I started my journey during the COVID-19, and I started with Owolabi, which laid a very good foundation for me. Wow. But later I met you. You introduced me to IMF Academy, and we discussed honestly. Then I finished there. And one thing that really propelled me, you ginger me up, even though when I don't have money to subscribe, I was pushed out of the channel, but that zeal up my mind because I told you my mind that you are the one that gave me that knowledge, not IMF Academy. You imparted me. I didn't learn anything. I'm just saying this on live and direct for people to understand. You gave, I told you, I called you. If you can remember that somebody called you and said, I never did anything from myself, that you imparted me. And the true story is that today, by His grace and the knowledge of God and what you have laid in me and with Mr. Owolabi, I'm also an institutional trader, trading people all over the world. And because of what I have learned and what I know in the market, I never take this free call and free classes for granted whenever you call for. And I'm using this to tell everybody there, anything that it takes. I paid money to learn, and if you don't learn, you can't earn. You must learn to earn. So anybody on this call, if you can use this opportunity, and I believe that my coach is going to drop the money down. He's going to bring it down tonight. Thank you so much for the impact. And every time I come to the call, I see that you are ever fresh. And thanks so much for building top with FX. Every time I know that you check on me once in a while on my WhatsApp. Thank you so much. Much respect, coach.
Welcome, my brother. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. My goal is to help everyone succeed. I know some of you might not be able to afford my programs, but I have done so much on my YouTube channel that it will only take you more time to understand, but you will definitely get it. You see, the goal is that 7 trillion, guys, we can't finish it together. It's so large. We can make our own money. But guys, we have to pay the price. We have to grind. We have to practice. We have to implement. We have to follow the rules of engagement so we can get the Chinyere is shouting for discount. Okay, I pray my Jesus mind comes to me today. Okay, so let's have Solomon and Annie. Okay, if I'm right, let me unmute you. So take 2 more questions. Go ahead, sir, Mr. Solomon.
Okay, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
So I would like you to open the chat, like share your chat. I would like to ask some questions.
On which pair?
Okay, so the 1 hour time frame, I saw something.
Which pair?
Yeah, the New Zealand, the New Zealand one.
Okay, the New Zealand. Are you a South African?
No, I'm from Ghana.
Ghana, okay. How is Ghana today? Okay, so tell me. Can you see my screen? Solomon. Okay. Solomon, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm there.
Okay, go ahead.
So we identified a pin bar, and you were saying that. Okay.
This is 1 hour. Oh, this is 2 hours. Sorry, let me go to 1 hour. Sorry. This 1 hour chart. Tell me.
Okay, so was it 1 hour? Like we identified the pin bar, and you were saying that,
daily.
Once
daily chart. I think it's on daily chart. Was it this?
Yes. So yeah, that pin bar. Okay. Yeah. So when you come to the higher low, right beneath the long candlestick, the green candlestick, you see there is another pin bar over there, the top one, right before you come to the hammer. Yes. The other pin bar there.
Fantastic. Right?
Yes, I'm talking. Yeah, the other pin bar before you come to the hammer.
Before you go, okay, this guy.
No, the other one. The other one. The high.
Did I move right or left?
Left. Yeah, the other one. The first red candlestick. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Is that candlestick like, is it a pin bar, or I wanted to know because
it's pin bar.
Yes. So if it's a pin bar, then I mean that it means that we should be selling, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. So if I had sell, I would have win small, but I would have lose if I stayed in the market for long.
Yes, because it is not, you don't trade pin bars. You trade levels.
Okay.
A pin bar in no man's land will not do anything. It is a pin bar in a no man's land, in a zone that will do something, that will deliver. So this rejection would have worked if it was in this same place. So this is not a zone. Is that right? Is that correct?
Okay, yeah, I'm getting.
Good. Number two, the institutions like what is called the round numbers or the quadruple numbers. This is around 6,500. These are around 6,500. You see that that is what they came to do. But the market got to 0.6500. But if you use this, there's no zone there. So this is not even a level. Is that clear?
Yes.
Fantastic. Hope that helps. Hope that helps.
Yes, yes.
Okay, Mama. Two more questions. Let's take Prof. Kings. Prof. Kings, tell me.
Good evening, coach.
Good evening, sir. How are you doing?
I celebrate you, sir. I'm doing fine. I want to ask, how do we reduce our stop losses?
Okay.
Going into using the smaller time frames.
Okay.
Yes.
So let's take, for example, I have a zone like this, and the market retraces back into that zone.
Okay.
This zone is my zone of interest. Then I'll go to lower time frame to check out for the behavior of the market in this zone.
Okay.
So when we wanted to go in this particular trade, we did not sell in this first move because there was no confirmation that the sellers are ready. But immediately they broke this zone, there was a confirmation that the sellers are ready. Is that clear? So the market came back up into this place. Now this place becomes your sell zone. So from your daily time frame, you can now go to 2 hours. You go to 2 hours, or you go, depending on the time frame you are used to, you go to 2 hours or you go to 1 hour, then you will see the reaction in that zone. Remember, the market will always create an impulse, a correction. Now, in this place, can you see that you have an engulfing here?
Clearly, I can see that.
So, number one option, you can use this as your entry, which is 22 pips. Number two option is that you can reduce this by using the 50% of this order block, of this demand. So the market becomes this. So if you enter based on engulfing, that is an aggressive entry. When you enter based on the 50%, it means that you are willing to wait without the market hitting you in or out. So instead of risking 22 pips here, you are saying, no matter if you are missing this trade, I'm willing to miss it, but I don't want to go in on 22 pips stop loss. So you go in on the 50% of the other block that had created the new move. Then see the market came back into that zone. So a lot of time, you always want to put 2 pips. So this is 9. You always want to put 2 pips or 3 pips above your entry. Is that clear? So
all right.
Spike. And because this is NZD, I'm sure this we took this trade in the midnight. Okay, so the spread increased. So if you know honor NZD, because during midnight, NZDs and AUDs, they always increase their spread whenever the market opens for the next day. So this is how to enjoy the move. And that is how we caught over 1 to 150 risk reward. So we risk $1 to make $150. We risk $10 to make $1,500.
That's a whole lot of money. Yes.
$100 to make $15,000. This is what we do. But when you want to do this, you must be a waiting trader, somebody who is willing to wait. So that is why ITC is called Trader Salvation. We trade opportunities, not the market.
All right.
So when you trade the market, you come every day. But when you trade opportunity, you look for it. When a lion is hungry and a lot of other animals are running in front of him, he does not go after all the animals. He goes for one. And that one that he hides, he goes in there. So I have a student who joined our community, who Mr. Dennis, who came in, funded his account with $100. He said he's in over 13 groups, over 11 groups. He shared his testimony on YouTube. And in the month of June, he only picked AUD check, and he used the $100. He grew to over $1,400 in 1 month.
With $100.
Yes, please. But you have to wait for that setup. Only way to 10x your account, not by trading every day, is by looking at that opportunity, and you are telling yourself, on this trade, I am risking 3% of my account. If this trade goes against me, I will lose $3, or I will risk, I'm losing 3%. And that 3%, you already know the amount. So that when the trade triggers, you are not disturbed. Not that you are checking, oh, has it gone up? Oh, it's going up. Oh, has it come down? No, it's going down. The reason why you are checking every second is because you never even calculated what you're risking right now. And that's what separates those who make money from those who lose money.
Thank you very much, Kate.
You're welcome, my brother. So we'll take one more question and we'll call it a day. And I'm sure I've been able to help. Cypher, that is an amazing pattern on harmonic scan. Tell me, Cypher, how are you doing, sir? Where are you joining from?
Good evening, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Perfect.
Okay, I'm calling from Port Harcourt.
And that's how it's Port Harcourt today.
Okay, sir. About the COT report, is it really necessary if you can get it? Is it necessary for technical analysis?
No, it's not necessary if you understand monthly time frame.
Okay, sir.
It's not necessary. For example, all the people we teach that in the ITC community, they don't need COT because the strategy is already, the COT is already embedded in the strategy.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Don't need it. Just go to monthly and flow with them because they cannot, even if you have the COT report and you are not flowing with them, going to be wrong. Okay, guys.
Thank you.
Good talking with you. So, guys, this is how we rock and roll it. I'm really excited. I'm really, really pumped up. Really, really excited about this. So, this is already 30 minutes. I promised you two entries, and Leo is saying, how can I join your team, coach? Okay, so what I would do, we are swing traders, understand we are not active traders, okay? We trade opportunities, so don't come in to be expecting trade Mondays, Tuesday. We don't trade. We trade 3 times a week, and the 3 times must have our conditions. So this is how we've been able to have the magic result that we have. And that is what I'm here to let you know. That is, the battle is between quantity and quality. Quantity, you will trade so much, but quality, you will trade less and you will make more than the people that are trading actively. To get started in our community, which I'm going to be doing, helping you out today, Mr. Mayowa, I want to learn how to trade this ITC. I recommend the coaching program. It's a 90-day training where we take you on one-on-one. You grow to understand the concepts. Good. In 3 months, the fee is $1,000. 1,000 US dollars will coach and mentor you for 3 months. In these 3 months, you will trade the same way we trade. You will have access to 24 hours private session. You will have access to our lifetime access of ITC course in the university. You also have access to technical analysis and our weekly private group session. We have that every Sunday, ITC Mastery, and we have that on Tuesday where we do our outlook. So because the institutions trade Wednesdays to Tuesdays, we also trade, we do our outlook plans on Tuesdays. Can we be wrong? Yes, we can be wrong, but we trade Tuesdays because of that. So I'm not telling you that because of that, change it. I'm just sharing with you what we do. Okay, good. The next set of people, Mr. Mayowa, I'm already a trader. I just want to be in your community. You pay $100 monthly. You will be having access to the Discord community. You have access to over 100 hours training. You also have access to the weekly market review, which is every Tuesday. Then you all also have access to market mastery, which is every Sunday, not Wednesday, Sundays. Then you have psychology of trading sessions. Then you also have access to trade ideas. Now, the third category of people are the people that they want to run business. They are here to make money. They are not here to test run. They will trade with Mayowa, Owolabi, my team, and the way we trade for 6 months. You will also be mentored for that 6 months. You must have a minimum of 5,000 US dollars, to trade. This is business. It's not, I'm still learning. No, you are not learning. You will be teaching, you'll be taught how to trade and all of that, but you are trading with us. For the next 6 months, you're going to be trading together. You have access to 48 private sessions. Then you also have access to our account management, our portfolio trades, okay? That how we trade for the company. We're going to be giving you the same set of trades, but that costs you 5,000 US dollars. The goal is to 3 to 10x this account in 6 months. However, we've seen people who do more than that, okay? But I don't want you to do it because of other people's results, but we have a standard that you're going to be making an average of 3 to 10x in the next 6 months. That is the goal. But you must pay us $5,000 for the mentorship and also working with you on this account. This is pure business. So if you're interested, you reach out to our admin. I'll drop the number for you guys right now, and you can do that. So what I'm going to be doing for those that are paying today, Everybody type in today. You must pay today. If it is not today, then you might not be able to get that, okay? So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be giving you discount for today, the 8th of July, 2022, okay? 8th of July, 2022, we're going to be giving you an amazing discount of 25%. Not on the $100 per month, but on the mentorship. Not on the $100 per month, but on the mentorship. Okay? And this is where you will, that's the number. I'm going to drop the links. If you need, you're paying through USDT or you want to pay through the bank. Okay, the exchange rate is $600 per. If you pay from Nigeria, if you're paying outside Nigeria, you can pay with our USDT wallet or you pay through this. And you send the payment proof to this account, to this WhatsApp number. The admin will attend to you and get you started right. Okay, for those that are, but it must be made today. If you're not paying today, don't bother. Maybe in the future. Okay, we normally give 20% whenever we're giving discount, but we've raised the bar for you guys to pay 20% today. Okay, so having said that, congratulations to those that are taking action right now. So pay the money. I want to count how many people are paying right now before I finish the analysis, the 2 analyses I'm giving to you free. Okay, how many of you are making payment now? Oh, let me see your account. Let me see you type right now. I'm making payment right now. Just type in 1. Let me be sure. Fantastic. So let's get to the 2 other analyses. That I have for you. So one of them is Euro AUD. No, there are other ways. For those that are not in Nigeria, you can pay through Bitcoin or USDT. You buy Bitcoin or USDT from any crypto platform and you send it to the address. It's only those that are in Nigeria that should pay with Naira options. Thank you so much, Talban Richard. Is that clear? So the option we have is you pay through Bitcoin or you pay through USDT. And if you want to use your card, chat up with the number on the screen, okay? Chat up with the number on the screen, +2349049990004. Okay, she's waiting for you. Her name is Bukola. Okay, she's waiting for you. She will help you. Okay, she will help you get that done. Okay, her name is Bukola. Chat her up so that you can get started. Congratulations. Good. So, Mr. Mayowa, what is happening on this chart? Now, the first thing, as usual, after doing so many other analysis checklists that we have in ITC, we can agree with me that you have a lower low, you have a lower high, and you have a lower low. Do you all agree with me? Yes or no? So, in the nearest future, we're going to be coming to what? To look for a sell opportunity in this box. Wait for good. So right now, the market, look at JP Morgan dropped the price. They took some profit, it went up. Deutsche Bank added more money. They took some profit, it's going up. It's currently at a flip zone right now. Okay, good. Then if it picks up the buy, it will come into this place. Then we, the ITCian will pick our sell here. So will this happen in the next 2 weeks? Not sure. Okay. Not sure. But the market will play. So this is the opportunity here. And if you take this trade with it between 5 and 25 pips stop loss, you're going to be taking the sell from here to this place, which is about 1,759. And when I tell you that these guys hold trade for 3 months minimum, you see what I'm talking about. This three red candle, 3 months. Okay, 3 red candle, this 5 red candle. That's good. 3 red candle, that's good. Can you see that? 2 red candles, which is still 3 months, your profit. Okay, so this tells us that for the next 3 months to 5 months, they will be selling this trade to this zone. So this is how we hold trade for 3 months, 2 months, 5 months, and we're killing it. Killing it. Okay, killing it. So that's how we do that. Somebody's saying, what of those of us that cannot afford such amount but willing to learn option for us? Yes, you go to my YouTube channel, Owolabi on YouTube. Okay, everything I'm teaching you step by step is there. Okay, step by step is there. If you can, you see, live your life. Life is in phases, men are in sizes. Live your life part time. Okay, right now you can't afford it. Go to YouTube. I have over 200 videos on YouTube. Take your time. What it will only cost you is data. So instead of you doing other things on Instagram, Facebook, take your time and get soaked into all my free trainings. Okay? Fantastic. Now, the second one. Are you ready for the second one? Come on, type in, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready. Come on, let's go right now. Type in, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready. Fantastic. The second one is catcher. Are you ready for this one? This one should happen in the next, this should happen in the next 2 weeks or less. The same way, Impulse, one of the banks. Impulse, one of the banks. So one of the banks went in, they took their profits. The market ranged up back to this flip zone. Then the market dropped again. Okay, they took their profits. So right now, we are here. We are in this zone, which is on a 3-month chart. Okay, these are the 3-month supply. Okay, so I tell you, on the first touch, we don't have business with it. Some supply and demand traders, they trade the whole thing. Okay, I don't do that. 250 is too much. I can't do that. Okay, so I waited. Okay, and like I told you, destroy this higher low. Then the market did what? Gave it. So another what? Impulse. They took profits. Another bank came in. They took profit. This is why whenever they take profit, it's always rough. It's always very rough. So this is not your goal, guys. Good. So right now, we are waiting for the market to come back into this place. The next few months. The next few weeks. It could happen next week. Then we, the ITC shares, and you that have taught today can kill it. When market gets here again, we go to lower time frame and we can reslim our stop loss, because because from 250 pips, you have reduced it to what? To 115 pips, but that's still high. As a businessman, you're looking at ways to reduce your investment, to reduce your risk. So with that, you can get this done with about maybe like 7 or 5 or 10 pips. Then we'll go in on the trade and hold for how many months? Tell me. Tell me how many months? That's it. Wait, hold it for another amazing 3 months. Congratulations. Okay, guys, that'll be all for today. I'm sure I've been able to help you. I wanted the session to be just 1 hour, 30 minutes, but because of our questions, I needed to help us completely and not just make it halfway. Do me a favor. Can you guys do me a favor? Can you guys do me a favor? Pick your phone after this training and do me 1 minute video of what you learned in this free class. Okay? Share your experience and send it to the admin. Okay? Send it to this number. Yes, on WhatsApp, please. Thank you so much. Via WhatsApp. Send it to this number and we will be glad to give you maybe another private session with me or anything. Just select one person and help. How can we review access to this class? Okay. I'll relay my team. I'm sure they should be able to work something out for you guys to have access to this you play with. Okay, I'll relay my team. Okay, guys. Prof King says we can't thank you enough. Thank you. So show me that you enjoyed this session. We have about 25 people, about 27 people joined. We have 20 people on the call right now. Do a video, 20 videos. I'm expecting 20 videos from 20 people. Share in 1 minute. Show some love to us. That should be your own price to get. That should be your own price for getting this for free. Okay, coach, thank you so much. I have learned so much. Chinyere Richard said, I really learned something new. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, guys, that'll be all for today. I'll be expecting your videos. I really thank you. How many of you are going to be doing the video? Type in 7. Type in 7. Don't tell me thank you alone. You to do something that I'll say thank you for. Okay, don't tell me thank you alone. Type in 7. Just type in 7. We do a 1 minute video of showing a heart of gratitude to our company and our team, and so that they can do more for you guys. Okay, that'll be all for today. I look forward to your success. And as you make money, make sure you help other people succeed. Share that little one you know, and somebody will be grateful. And that is all what life is all about. I look forward to your success, and I'll talk to you guys soon. My name is Mayowa Owolabi, Africa's most sought after financial market coach, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Okay, Alfred, thank you.